Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the top 3 crypto coins you should consider buying before the next Bitcoin halving in 2025. The Bitcoin halving is historically a massive catalyst for bull runs, and the next one, anticipated around early 2025, is shaping up to be no different. This event reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins are created, effectively decreasing the new supply, which, with consistent or increasing demand, tends to drive prices up across the entire crypto ecosystem. Now, I know many of you are looking for those gems that have the potential to not just ride the wave, but to truly outperform. That's why I've spent countless hours researching, analyzing charts, and listening to the whispers in the digital corridors of the crypto world to bring you what I believe are 3 solid contenders. These aren't just fleeting meme coins. These are projects with robust foundations and exciting roadmaps that position them perfectly for the anticipated market surge. So, grab a notepad, open your mind, and let's explore these potential giants that could redefine your crypto journey. We're here to build wealth together through informed decisions. Alright, kicking off our list, and it's probably no surprise to many of you seasoned investors, is Ethereum. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized global computer. The core strength of Ethereum lies in its smart contract functionality. These self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code have paved the way for the explosion of decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Think about it. Almost every major DeFi application, from lending protocols to decentralized exchanges, was born on Ethereum. The Ethereum ecosystem is vast and constantly expanding. We're talking about thousands of developers building innovative applications, a massive user base, and a significant amount of capital locked within its DeFi protocols. One of the most significant developments for Ethereum was the merge. Its transition from a proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism to proof-of-stake (POS). This was a monumental feat of engineering that drastically reduced Ethereum's energy consumption by over 99%, addressing one of the major criticisms leveled against blockchain technology. With proof-of-stake, ETH holders can stake their coins to help secure the network and earn rewards. Furthermore, the implementation of EIP 1559 introduced a fee-burning mechanism. A portion of every transaction fee is now burned, permanently removing ETH from circulation. In periods of high network activity, this can make ETH a deflationary asset, meaning more ETH is burned than created through staking rewards. Looking ahead to the 2025 bull run, Ethereum's continued development is key. The focus is now on scalability. Layer 2 scaling solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Polygon are already playing a crucial role here, processing transactions off the main chain but still benefiting from its security. Institutional interest in Ethereum is also a significant tailwind. The potential for tokenized real-world assets, regulated DeFi products, and enterprise blockchain solutions built on Ethereum is immense. The resilience Ethereum has shown, its continuous innovation, and its central role in the Web3 revolution make it a cornerstone for any serious crypto portfolio. Next up on our list is Cardano, often referred to by its ticker symbol ADA. Cardano takes a very different approach to blockchain development compared to many other projects, and that's precisely what makes it so intriguing. It's a project that has always prioritized a research-driven, peer-reviewed methodology. This scientific philosophy means that every stage of Cardano's development is based on academic research, formal methods, and rigorous testing. One of Cardano's unique features is its layered architecture. It consists of 2 main layers, the Cardano Settlement Layer, CSL, and the Cardano Computation Layer, CCL. The CSL is responsible for handling ADA transactions and acts as the secure ledger, similar to Bitcoin. The CCL, on the other hand, is where smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, will run. This separation is designed for greater flexibility and scalability. At the heart of Cardano's security and efficiency is its unique proof-of-stake consensus protocol called Ouroboros. This protocol was one of the first POS systems proven to be secure through academic rigor. Cardano's smart contract functionality was introduced with the Alonzo hard fork, part of the Goguen era of its roadmap. The Basho era of Cardano's roadmap is focused on scaling and interoperability. Another key aspect of Cardano is its strong focus on real-world utility and adoption, particularly in developing nations. The Voltaire era, the final phase of Cardano's roadmap, is all about governance. The goal is to create a truly decentralized and self-sustaining ecosystem where ADA holders can vote on protocol upgrades, funding proposals, and the future direction of the network. For investors looking for a project with a strong emphasis on research, a clear vision for decentralization, and a commitment to real-world impact, Cardano presents a compelling case. Its unique architecture, energy-efficient consensus, and growing ecosystem make it a strong contender for significant growth in the next bull cycle. Our third pick for today, and one that I'm incredibly excited about, is Polkadot, with its native token DAOT. Polkadot is all about addressing one of the biggest challenges in the blockchain space: interoperability. Polkadot aims to solve this by creating a blockchain of blockchains. It's designed to be a multi-chain network that allows different, independent blockchains, called parachains, to connect and communicate seamlessly. The core of Polkadot is the relay chain. This is the main chain that provides security and consensus for the entire network. Connected to the relay chain are the parachains. Each parachain can be a specialized blockchain, optimized for a specific use case, whether it's DeFi, gaming, identity, or supply chain management. To become a parachain, projects typically need to win a parachain slot auction by bonding DOT tokens. This creates significant utility and demand for DOT. Beyond parachains, Polkadot also supports parathreads, which offer a pay-as-you-go model for blockchains that don't need continuous connectivity to the relay chain. The governance model of Polkadot is also highly sophisticated and entirely on-chain. DOT holders have control over the network, including proposing and voting on protocol upgrades, managing the treasury, and even electing council members. The ecosystem building on Polkadot is rapidly expanding. Market trends are strongly indicating a future where interoperability is not just a feature, but a necessity. Polkadot's entire design is centered around meeting this demand, positioning it perfectly for this evolving landscape. The DOT token itself has multiple utilities. It's used for governance, for staking to secure the relay chain, and for bonding to secure a parachain slot. For investors looking for exposure to the future of blockchain interoperability and a project with strong technical foundations and a clear vision, Polkadot DOT is a very compelling choice leading into the 2025 bull market. So there you have it: Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot. Three incredibly promising crypto projects that I believe have the potential to perform exceptionally well leading up to and during the anticipated 2025 bull run, catalyzed by the Bitcoin halving. Each of these coins brings something unique to the table. Ethereum with its established dominance and evolving ecosystem, Cardano with its research-driven approach and focus on sustainability, and Polkadot with its groundbreaking vision for an interoperable multi-chain future. Remember, the key to successful crypto investing is thorough research, patience, and a long-term perspective. The crypto space is dynamic, so it's crucial to stay informed and adapt your strategies as new developments unfold. I encourage you to dive deeper into each of these projects, understand their technology, their teams, and their communities. The road to the 2025 bull run will likely have its ups and downs, but with careful planning and strategic investments in solid projects, the opportunities for growth are immense. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates.